Hello YouTubers, welcome to the Nermin channel. I'm right now in the forest. We have very big storm in Ottawa. Interestingly, snow started last night and still all day. Probably it will stop tonight. Expecting forecast about 35 centimeters snow. As you can see here, this is the forest. It's really majestic. It's very beautiful. Interestingly, somebody already made a pathway. That means people already before me came to exercise here in this route, even though it's really not good weather at all. But it's not cold today in Ottawa. It's only -3. But forest, when it's covered with the snow, it's really something special. I'm trying to get out of this, to go out to see how it looks there. I didn't come here for maybe a few days because we had mild weather and we didn't have much snow. Mostly was melted before. Alright. Yeah, as you can see. Usually winter here in Ottawa it's almost 6 months. I mean, usually get cold first week in November and don't expect spring until honestly end of April. That's usually life here in Ottawa. Sometimes temperature can be mild. We consider mild up to -10 because for us normal temperature is -20, 25. Occasionally drop to -35, but that's really very cold here. Oh, it's very difficult to walk when it's deep snow. Or maybe I'm getting old, I'm not sure anymore. I'm not that much young. Alright, I'm trying to get out now. Yeah. It's a quiet place, as you can see. I have difficult breathing here, walking in deep snow. Yeah, as you can see, I'm out now. This is usually a place where is a lot of apples. Used to be a long time orchard, and it's really magnificent view. Even though it's snowing without stopping, it's really nice. It's worth to come here and enjoy. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye now.